Greetings, lovelies. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thanks for the love and support. Let's make some juice.
Yeah, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay.
For this juice, I'll be using celeries, and these celeries are already washed and ready to go in the juicer. I also have carrots already washed and peeled, and here I have spinach, also green apple, and some broccoli. So here I have the celeries in the juicer, and let's juice some vegetables. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Subscribe, put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Please remember to give the video a like and leave a comment. And if you can, give it a share. Thanks so much. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some carrots in the juicer. Yes, guys, this is a combination of vegetable, and all these vegetables that I'm using, they have great health benefits. Yes, carrot, celery, broccoli, spinach, green apple. Yes. So I just put the broccoli in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the spinach in. After the spinach, I had the green apple. If you don't have a juicer, you can always use a blender to make your juice. And if you are interested in getting this juicer that I'm using, I will put a link in the description box and you can click it and purchase this juicer. And if you do buy this juicer, I will get a small commission of your purchase. Thank you so much for your support. Now the juice is ready for serving. And here I pour myself a glass of this refreshing healthy juice. Yes. Celery, broccoli, spinach, carrot, green apple. And now it's time to taste. Yes, tastes refreshing. You gotta try this one out. I thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say, live good, walk good, pray good, bless up yourself. One love. Yeah, man. Yummy, yummy.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like.